Sheet Bharat Bill Dayton 2025. JNV Aizol Mizoram Team A members Bliss Arvil Sanimi, Casey Lal Zansui, Lal Unmoi, Lal Ompui, Lal Mangai. Team Vocal for Local. Title Bamboo Craft, Our Local Treasure. Idea Promotion of local handicraft and eco-friendly products.
Problem statement: plastic and biodegradable products are used only for decoration and utility purposes. This causes pollution and harm the environment. People are slowly forgetting local eco-friendly material like bamboo, which are strong, usable, and sustainable.
Solution: our project Bamboo Craft, our local treasure, promotes the use of bamboo items like holder, baskets, nets, and hence stem. We design small models made of bamboo sticks to show how useful and beautiful bamboos can be. It encourages people to buy local bamboo products instead of plastic ones, supporting both environment and local craftsmen.